Welcome to Free Laptop Info. Finding the perfect digital canvas can feel overwhelming given the sheer variety of options available to modern artists. To help you choose the best tablet for drawing, we have carefully analyzed top-tier devices to suit every creative workflow and budget. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 11-inch. The Apple iPad Pro 11-inch remains a powerhouse for digital artists who demand portability without sacrificing raw performance. At its heart lies the M2 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU and a 10-core GPU that handles demanding illustration apps and complex layering with remarkable ease. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is truly a highlight, incorporating ProMotion and P3 wide color technologies that ensure every stroke looks precise and vibrant. When paired with the second-generation Apple Pencil, the device transforms into an incredibly responsive sketchbook, offering low latency that makes drawing feel entirely natural. Beyond its artistic capabilities, the iPadOS ecosystem provides a versatile multitasking environment, especially with the addition of Stage Manager, which helps manage multiple windows simultaneously. Connectivity is equally robust thanks to Wi-Fi 6E, allowing for quick file transfers and cloud synchronization even while on the go. While the accessories, like the Magic Keyboard, are sold separately, the integrated experience is polished and reliable. Build quality is quintessentially Apple, feeling premium and sturdy in the hands, which justifies its position as a high-end investment. Battery life is consistently dependable, lasting throughout long work sessions, which is essential for professional. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is a massive, visually stunning device that caters to artists who desire a cinematic canvas for their creative endeavors. Featuring a generous 14.6-inch AMOLED display, this tablet provides deep blacks and rich, punchy colors that make digital artwork pop with incredible clarity. The integration of the S Pen is seamless, offering a tactile drawing experience that is highly regarded for its precision and pressure sensitivity, which comes included right out of the box, saving you from extra accessory costs. Powered by Android 14, the interface is highly customizable, allowing for a desktop-like experience when needed, especially when using the tablet in DeX mode. With 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, it manages intensive creative tasks and multitasking quite well, ensuring your workflow remains smooth even when working with high-resolution files. The build quality is slim and sophisticated, featuring a sleek moonstone gray finish that feels both modern and professional. While the large form factor makes it less portable than smaller tablets, it excels as a stationary digital easel, providing ample room for sprawling illustrations or detailed photo editing. The fingerprint reader adds a layer of security, and the reliable battery ensures you can work on long-term projects without constantly hunting for an outlet. Number 3. Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 Laptop/Tablet Hybrid. The Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptop-tablet hybrid represents the next evolution for artists who require a true desktop-class operating system in a portable package. By leveraging the power of the new Snapdragon X processors, this device offers impressive speed that rivals dedicated workstations, making it an excellent choice for artists using industry-standard software like Photoshop or Illustrator. The 13-inch touchscreen is crisp and responsive, and when you combine it with the unique kickstand, you get unparalleled flexibility to find the exact angle that suits your drawing posture. Because it is a full-fledged computer, you are not restricted by mobile apps, allowing you to utilize your preferred professional desktop creative suites exactly as you would on a studio PC. The addition of an NPU for AI-accelerated tasks adds a forward-looking layer to your workflow, potentially automating repetitive chores. It is built for all-day reliability, with a battery that lasts up to 14 hours, ensuring you stay productive during long commute or travel days. Number 4. Apple iPad Air 13-inch M2 chip offers a brilliant balance of professional performance and screen real estate for artists who need more room to breathe. Its large 13-inch Liquid Retina display provides plenty of space for intricate sketching and multitasking, while technologies like P3 wide color and True Tone ensure your color accuracy remains top-notch for professional printing or digital display. Being powered by the M2 chip, this model is more than capable of handling heavy-duty illustration software, complex vector design, and even light video editing without breaking a sweat.
It is specifically designed to support Apple Intelligence, which streamlines creative workflows through smart features that help with writing and organizing your thoughts, adding value beyond just the drawing experience. The tablet is also compatible with the Apple Pencil Pro, which introduces advanced haptic feedback and gesture controls that take the digital drawing experience to an entirely new level of immersion. With up to 1 terabyte of storage, you have plenty of room for all your project files, high-resolution textures, and resource-heavy apps.
Number 5. Apple iPad Air 11-inch M2. The Apple iPad Air 11-inch is the ideal middle ground for artists who want modern features and raw power in a compact, highly portable form factor. Featuring the same M2 chip found in its larger siblings, it provides blazing fast performance that ensures your creative apps run without any lag or stuttering, regardless of how complex your brushes or layers might be. The 11-inch Liquid Retina display is beautiful and incredibly sharp, making it a perfect companion for sketching on the go or refining details while relaxing on the couch. Like other recent models, it is built to support the Apple Pencil Pro, allowing you to take advantage of advanced features like squeeze and barrel roll for more natural line weights and control. The integration of Apple Intelligence adds a helpful layer of efficiency to your daily routine, assisting with organization and productivity. Because it runs on iPadOS, you get the benefit of a massive library of creative applications and the ability to seamlessly sync your work across other Apple devices. Even with its smaller footprint, it manages all-day battery life comfortably, meaning you won't have to carry a charger everywhere you roam.
Number 6. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 is a specialized professional tool designed for artists who demand a studio-grade experience with absolute precision. With a massive 27-inch 4K UHD display, this device offers an expansive canvas that is unmatched in color accuracy, covering 99% of Adobe RGB and 98% of DCI-P3 color spaces. The Pro Pen 3 is truly the star here, featuring 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and extreme customization options, allowing you to swap grips and adjust the pen's weight to suit your hand perfectly. With a 120Hz refresh rate, the drawing experience feels incredibly fluid, virtually eliminating any perceived delay between the pen and the screen. The inclusion of 8 customizable express keys on the back allows you to keep your workspace clean while maintaining quick access to essential shortcuts. Its unique ability to add mounting options for cameras or reference materials shows that this device was designed with the professional workflow in mind. While it requires a connection to a computer, the immersion it provides is unparalleled for high-end digital illustration, 3D modeling, and retouching tasks.
Choosing the right drawing tablet depends on your specific creative goals, preferred operating system, and workspace needs. Whether you require ultimate portability, a massive studio-grade canvas, or full desktop-class software compatibility, balance your budget against essential features like pen precision and display quality to find your perfect artistic companion today.